Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. This is Khushi Hassan. Today I'm gonna share with you a makeup for evening celebration. You can easily wear this look on Eid and will look quite good. So without too much, let's get started. Guys, we should pamper our skin before applying any sort of makeup. So here I'm gonna start with my toner. It's a Rose Glow Toner by Good Vibes. Toners are amazingly beneficial for your open pores and also absorbs the oil from your face as well. To hydrate my skin, I am applying this papaya cream by Good Vibes. It's a wonderful cream. You should definitely try this once. To moisturize my lips, I am applying this lip balm by Good Vibes. I have already done with my eyebrows. Now I am gonna start with my eyes. This is the concealer by Maybelline. I am using this as a base for my eyelids. Applying this Maybelline Compact to lock my concealer into my eyelids. With this eyeshadow palette, taking the transition shade and apply all over my eyelids. Now taking this magenta shade and apply in outer corner of my eyelids and moving forward to the above of my crease line and blend it nicely. With this Maybelline Nude Eyeshadow Palette, taking that light golden shade and apply on the inner corner of my eyes to the center of my eyelids. Now applying this dark golden shade till the half of my eyelids from the inner corner. With this magenta shade from the Wet n Wild Eyeshadow Palette, going to make an eyeliner. Using this gel eyeliner by Music Flower to create a winged eyeliner just above to my pink eyeline. Now it's time to curl my lashes. Using this mascara by Wet n Wild. उल्टा इसको पकड़ा मैंने. I love this brand. Applying a thick coat on my eyelashes. I had wore these fake eyelashes behind the camera. These lashes are just wow, so natural, so light. Now it's time for Kajal. It's a Maybelline New York Kajal, good for daily use, and I love this Kajal. To seal, to lock our base into skin, primer is a must. This is by nWild. This foundation by Maybelline All Knows. I'm in the shade 230. I'm making dots all over the face and neck and blend it nicely with this Damn Beauty blender. I'm applying this concealer by Maybelline to my usual areas of my face. You can easily skip this step, doesn't require much. Actually, I have under eye bag, so it's an important step for my makeup. I'm dusting my whole face with this compact so the concealer doesn't get creased and the foundation just set on the layer of my skin. To give some dimension, I'm going to contour my face with this Wet n Wild bronzer. Using this angled fluffy brush, I'm going to apply this powder bronzer on my broad forehead, jawline, below to my cheekbones, and that's it. I just love this step in a makeup. It gives us a fresh, appealing look. I have this Sugar Cosmetic blush which I am going to apply on my apple of cheeks. So please just go easy with your blush because most of the blushes are too pigmented. We need a natural pink tone on our cheek. So apply little first. If you need more, then go one more touch. Allah. Again, I am using the same brand to highlight my face to get that perfect natural glow जो बस दिल में घर कर जाता है. I'm just applying this highlighter on my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, on my chin and my forehead as well. Also, I'm using this highlighter under my eyebrows to highlight them, and in the inner corner of my eyes to look them broader and bigger. Sorry guys, when I applied my lipstick, the camera goes off and I lost the clip. I hope you like this look. Thanks for watching. फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, दुआओं में याद रखिए. आप सबको जान मुबारक इन एडवांस. हैप्पी ईद. अल्लाह हाफिज.